proto-oncogenes. It mutates and it is activated or turned on, or it is known as oncogenes. To stop or to repair these oncogenes, tumor suppressor gene helps. It helps in two different ways. Like first, if the damage is sustainable, then it will uses DNA repair mechanism such as base excision repair, nucleotide excision repair, mismatch repair, homologous recombination, or non-homologous end joining. If this is not working in the damage reparation, it is not working in the repairing the damage, or the cell is not repairable, or it is irreparable, then the tumor suppressor gene will give function or give signal to do apoptosis. So we will see what is tumor suppressor gene. Tumor suppressor gene is a normal gene that helps the that slow down the cell division or tell the cell to die at the right time. Tumor suppressor gene controls cell cycle in different stages, as it is present in the different checkpoints in the cell cycle. It is present at every checkpoint in the cell cycle. It is present every checkpoint of the cell cycle. Tumor suppressor gene encodes a protein that helps to stop the or regulate the cell division. Tumor suppressor gene are the gene responsible for process of apoptosis or programmed cell death. It also act as a brake pedal in the car, like brake stop the car from over speed or from accident. It prevents it from accident. Like tumor suppressor gene also stop the cell moving too fast or dividing too fast, like a brake pedal in the car. As car is stopped by the brake and the accident does not happen, like this cancer does not happen due to tumor suppressor gene. This is brake and this is accident point. So we will assume that this is tumor suppressor gene and this is cancer. Or when the tumor suppressor gene is normal, then it will break at the break ऐसा सही टाइम पे लगेगा और जो कैंसर है वो नहीं होगा. और when the mutation occurs in the tumor suppressor gene, then tumor suppressor gene will not function properly and it can lead to cancer. First one is normal tumor suppressor gene slow down cell growth. When the tumor suppressor gene is normal, then it will slow down the growth of the cell growth. Second one is first knockout mutation. First mutation that will lead to stop the cell division, but it is too late. And second knockout mutation lead to inability of to stop growth. और सेकंड में तो बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा, फर्स्ट में थोड़ा लगेगा लेकिन लेट लगेगा, लेकिन सेकंड में बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगेगा, मतलब बिल्कुल काम नहीं करेंगे. और ये म्यूटेशन क्यों होता? इट ऑकर्स ड्यू टू वेरियस रीजंस लाइक यूवी रेज, रेडिएशंस एंड डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम disarrangement, chromosome का disarrangement से. What happens when the tumor suppressor gene doesn't work? अगर tumor suppressor gene work करना छोड़ दे तो first reason is abnormal cell growth, cell will grow abnormally, and second one is it can lead to cancer. Third one, normal cell become disease cell and it is become hyperactivated. वो जितना सेल उसने बनाने मांगता है, जितना डिवाइड कर उससे ज़्यादा डिवाइड करने लगा. Hyperactivated means, and cell will of no use to the body. Cell will no use to the body. Tumor suppressor gene can be grouped into three following categories. First one is caretaker gene, second one is gatekeeper gene, and third one is landscaper gene. Caretaker genes, first it will try to repair the DNA damage or gene that is become mutated. Caretaker gene involves in maintenance of genomic stability and provide DNA repair mechanism. First, it will try to give DNA repair mechanisms such as base excision repair, nucleotide excision repair, etc., etc. Caretaker genes prevent the stability change of the genome. It will keep it stable. Changing of the genome will be keep it stable by caretaker gene, and it prevent development of cancer, repair DNA damage, prevent mutation. Main function of caretaker gene is to prevent the activate repairing mechanism of DNA. Prevent mutation. If mutation happens in the caretaker gene, it can lead to genomic instability and can cause cancer. Example of these genes, caretaker genes, are breast cancer 1 and breast cancer 2. BR means breast, CA is equal to cancer. Breast cancer 1 and breast cancer 2. Second one is gatekeeper gene. Gatekeeper gene encodes a gene that gene products or protein that prevent growth of potential cancer cell. It encodes a protein that will prevent growth of the cancerous cell. It is also known as guardian of cell cycle because it controls cell growth and division and prevent formation of tumor. If the DNA damage is irreparable, it can provide apoptosis. First function of caretaker is DNA, providing DNA repair mechanism. If it is not working, then gatekeeper gene will provide apoptosis. Apoptosis is programmed cell death, and it will tell the cell to die at the specific time or suicide of the cell. It is also known as programmed cell death. Mutation or inactivation of gatekeeper gene can also lead to cancer. Mutation can lead to cancer. Example of these genes are RB1 and TP53 and TP53 is also as caretaker gene, and it is also a gatekeeper. It function as caretaker genes and also function as gatekeeper gene. Landscaper gene. Landscaper gene is new gene that is recently discovered by the scientists. There is no so information of this landscaper gene, but it provides microenvironment for the prevention of the tumor, or it provides microenvironment that will stop the tumor formation. Landscaper gene encodes gene product that control the microenvironment in the cell which grow. It influences microenvironment of a tumor, including interaction with immune cell, blood vessel, and intracellular matrix. Interaction with immune cell, intracellular matrix, and blood vessels. It regulates growth by contributing to surrounding environment. And when it is mutated, it is caused environment that promote unregulated proliferation with uncontrolled growth. Examples of tumor suppressor genes. I have written 5 examples. You can study as many as. First one is RB1. It is first known, मतलब ये पहली जीन है जिसमें इसमें देखा गया कि म्यूटेशन अगर इसमें होता है तो कैंसर लीड होती है, और इसका ना तो हमें क्लोन भी इसका फर्स्ट जीन है जिसका क्लोन किया गया था. क्लोन मीन्स एग्जैक्ट कॉपी इसकी बनाई गई थी. It is first known tumor suppressor gene. First known tumor suppressor gene. The first tumor suppressor gene identifies whose mutational inactivation is cause of a human cancer and pediatric cancer, retinoblastoma. RB1 का फुल फॉर्म है retinoblastoma 1. CDKN2A gene, cyclin dependent kinase inhibitor 2A. It is present on chromosome 9. It is present on the chromosome 9. First tumor suppressor gene is present on the P arm or the Q arm. Short arm, some are present on upper arm means P arm, or lower arm Q arm. Upper one is short and lower one is long arm. Present on chromosome 9, 25 to 30% of different cancer caused due to mutation of CDKN2A genes. 25 to 30% only. Like familial melanoma and familial pancreatic carcinoma are the diseases that are caused due to mutated CDKN2A genes. BRCA1, we have discussed this gene in the gene caretaker gene. BRCA1 is a gene that produces protein that helps repairing damaged DNA. It encodes for the protein that helps the repairing the DNA damage. It is type of caretaker gene. Everyone has 2 copies of BRCA1. One received from parents, one received from father and one received from mother. 2 copies of BRCA1 we got. Mutated BRCA1 gene can cause breast cancer and ovarian cancer. It can lead to breast cancer and ovarian cancer when it is mutated. APC gene, adenomatous polyposis coli. The human APC gene is located on the long arm, downside of the Q arm. It is present on the Q arm of the chromosome 5. If the APC gene is defective, it makes the gene unstable. अगर एक वो हो गई, म्यूटेट हो गई, तो जीन को अनस्टेबल करेंगे और क्रोमोसोम का डिसफंक्शन हो सकता है, रीअरेंजमेंट हो सकती है. It makes the gene unstable and more susceptible to additional changes that may lead to colon and rectal cancer. Rectal means backbone cancer. Mutated APC gene can cause Gardner syndrome and Turcot syndrome. These diseases can be caused by due to mutated APC gene. Most important gene in tumor suppressor gene is TP53 gene. Because of TP53 gene, 50% of human cancer is caused due to mutation of TP53 genes. Mutation is occurred due to UV rays or different diseases or radiation or chromosome disarrangement, etc. etc. It is known as P53, tumor protein P53 or cellular tumor antigen P53. P means protein P53. TP53 is very important in multicellular organism. It is very important in multicellular organism like humans. Now P53 is crucial in vertebrates where it prevents formation of cancer, vertebrates like humans. It is known as guardian of the genome because it's provide, ये जो है ना जीनोम का गार्डियन बोलते हैं P53 जीन को. अगर ये फंक्शन प्रॉपर्ली करे तो इसको गार्डियन ऑफ द जीनोम बोलेंगे. क्यों मालूम क्या? ये जीनोमिक इंस्टेबिलिटी को रोकने का काम करती है, वो उसको स्टेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड करती है जीनोम की. हाँ, इट इज नोन एज गार्डियन ऑफ द जीनोम बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड स्टेबिलिटी बाय प्रिवेंटिंग जीनोमिक म्यूटेशन. जीनोमिक म्यूटेशन को रोकने का काम करती है. P53 gene encodes a protein that bind to DNA and prevent the mutation of genome. ऐसा प्रोटीन इनकोड करती P53 जीन जो क्या करता, ये जो DNA है जो हो गया नॉर्मल DNA भी रहा ना तो उसको भी बाइंड करेंगे और जो म्यूटेशन अगर आने वाला रहा रेडिएशन की इसकी उसकी वजह से तो वो उस पर नहीं आएगा. In humans, these P53 genes are located on short arm of the chromosome 17, upper arm of the chromosome means P arm. On chromosome, it is present on chromosome 17. Mutation in P53 gene can lead to more than, जैसा मैंने बोला अभी 50% से ज़्यादा कैंसर इसकी वजह से होते हैं. इसमें म्यूटेशन आया तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है अपने बॉडी के लिए. और देखो इट वर्क्स एज बोथ केयरटेकर जीन एंड गेटकीपर जीन. केयरटेकर के जीन क्यों काम करेंगे ये मालूम है क्या? पहले ये क्या करेंगे देखेंगे. इट विल सी दैट इफ द जीन इज रिपेयरेबल और इट विल बी रिपेयर बाय different mechanism, DNA repair mechanism. If it is not functioning, then it as a gatekeeper gene, it will give the signal of apoptosis, in which program cell death. Function of TP53 play important role in cell cycle apoptosis, program cell death, and genomic stability. It can activate DNA repair protein where DNA has sustained damage. It will give DNA repair mechanism where DNA damage is smaller, or it can easily repair by the DNA repair mechanism. It can initiate apoptosis where DNA is irreparable. अगर DNA mechanism repair mechanism से नहीं होता, clear नहीं होता तो वो function करेंगे apoptosis के लिए. दोनों काम TP53 करेंगे. P53 cell cycle and apoptosis function are important for preventing tumor development. ट्यूमर डेवलपमेंट को रोकने के लिए P53 का सेल साइकिल और एपोप्टोसिस एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. P53 also regulates many cellular processes including metabolism, antioxidant response and DNA repair mechanisms. If mutation occurs in P53 or TP53 gene, then first we will see normal P53 gene and then we will see abnormal P53 gene in which mutation is occurred. फर्स्ट DNA डैमेज सेल साइकिल एबनॉर्मलिटी. अगर DNA डैमेज हुआ तो P53 क्या करेगा? पहले सेल साइकिल को रोकेगा. इट विल अरेस्ट द सेल साइकिल. इट विल रिपेयर द DNA that is mutated and then it will cell cycle will restart. When P53 is normal, it is not mutated, then it will first try to act as a caretaker like cell cycle arrest, DNA repair, and then cell cycle will be restart. And अगर ये नहीं होता सेल साइकिल अरेस्ट भी, अगर जीन जो है वो रिपेयर ही नहीं होती तो वो एपोप्टोसिस के लिए सिग्नल देगा. और फिर उससे क्या होगा? व्हेन सेलुलर डैमेज ऑकर्स P53 arrest the cell cycle and then DNA will be repaired, and if damage cannot be repaired, then if it is not possible, then it will give the signal of apoptosis. And when the DNA damage occurs when the P53 gene is mutated or turned on or activated. P53 it is not normal, it is mutated, or cell cycle cell is become mutated. It will not not affect the cell, it will not stop the cell cycle, it will not repair, it will nothing do, it will act like or p53 gene will not stop and cell cycle will continues, abnormal cell cycle continue होते रहेंगे और फिर cell can become cancerous, abnormal cell cycle continues and it will become cancerous. Mutated p53 does not arrest the cell cycle, the damaged cell continues to divide, which will result in cancer. Okay. This is all about tumor suppressor gene. Hope so you all understand it very much. Thank you.